Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss cloud seeding in Delhi. The Delhi government has partnered with IIT Kanpur to conduct the cloud seeding experiments to combat the rising post-monsoon air pollution in Delhi, that is the winter season's pollution. Now, cloud seeding is a weathering technique which enhances the precipitation in the existing clouds. We have to note that cloud seeding doesn't produce new clouds but would extract precipitation from the existing clouds. What is the mechanism? Initially, the substances like silver iodide, potassium iodide, sodium chloride, and dry ice are dispersed into the atmosphere. These dispersed substances form the ice nuclei which is captured by the clouds. This ice nuclei is similar to the ice structure which will help to supercool and freeze the water droplets which were already existing in the clouds. Due to the weight, then the clouds burst and the precipitation comes. Now, Ministry of Earth Sciences has cautioned that because it's post-monsoon season, already the clouds have withdrawn, and sending these chemical substances without clouds in the atmosphere would lead to many harmful consequences. Now, what are the advantages of cloud seeding? The first one is reducing the air pollution, second, dispersing the fog, and third one is suppressing hailstorm in agriculture areas. There are many limitations as we have discussed. The first one is if there is no rain-fed clouds, then it would be a problem. The second one is Delhi is a region in which the second half of the year, that is the winter season, would experience rain only due to the western disturbances. So it's a limited dependency. If there is no western disturbance, this experiment would fail. And the third limitation is this is a short-term relief but not a long-term solution. Fourth one is these chemicals would be settling on the soil and water, creating environmental pollution. Thank you.